Animals that almost killed humans. The last one is just shocking. Number 1. This mermaid was doing a live performance at an aquarium, but was then unexpectedly bitten by a shark. Take a look. Number 2. These little kids were playing at the park until a group of dogs decided to attack them. Number 3. This crocodile trainer was sitting on a crocodile until the crocodile reminded him that he's not a horse. Number 4. These tourists were walking until an elephant decided to charge at them, making them run for their life. Number 5. This man was performing at a lion show until the lion decided to attack. So now you know about the